Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If somebody's trying to draw a square that's not square, if we bring in another indexing line, you can see that it's got these humps in it. And he's trying to use, which is a good choice, he's trying to use a four-sided polygon. And then let's rotate it so it'll be square. And then it is a polygon, so whatever you do to it will react on all four sides. If we take these two nodes and right click and turn them into a curve, and if we do this, you can kind of see you get the point. And every time, and then you could turn this one to a curve. But it's, to me, you'd have a really hard time to make it symmetrical. Matter of fact, let's take that line away. No, that didn't work. But see what I'm talking about? If you, let me back up here one step. If you take this, you're going to have a hard time making it like this, like I created. So what I'm going to do, and if you kind of think of it another way, let me take away the indexing line. I am going to take an oval, and I'm going to make it quite fat. And then I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now this is a little bit more of a curve than the first one, but if we take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, you've got that shape. Now you can always limit that by starting over and make this not quite as fat. I'm going to go ahead and hit P, which really doesn't matter in this case. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 90 degrees. Now I smart fill that, but you could always weld it. Well, no, you can't. Well, there is a way, but that's why I use the smart fill tool a lot, because you can get that shape. Now I'm still a little bit more of an oval, but you get the idea when you left click, right click. And if we put these two together by C and E, you can see the difference in the two, but it's still a square without flat sides. I don't know what he's doing with this. I particularly like this one better because it's a little bit less. So my ovals, once again, were not as fat. So let's bring this in a little bit more. Control D and make a duplicate, rotate it 90 degrees. And you can also elongate your oval to get less of a curve. Not that big of a video, but might help somebody draw something someday. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.